Hi everyone, it's Liam for the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Rally Red Civic Sportline. Now, walking around the car, you can see that you do get your LED daytime running lights. You also get front fog lights and your project housings as well for the headlights. You also get front parking sensors, and you do get these freshly refurbished 17-inch alloy wheels as well, all of which have been powder coated in a gloss black, as you can probably see walking around the car. Walking around to the rear now, as you can see, you also get 4 rear parking sensors in the rear bumper that do go along the back like so. You've then got a nice little reversing camera just up here, which does make this thing an absolute doddle to park. You've then got plenty of room in the boot area. As you can see, you've also got the pullover privacy shelf, which just teams up with this shelf here just to provide extra privacy in the tailgate. And then just below here you have your 12-volt power outlet, as you can see there. You've got full 60/40 split flat folding rear seats as well. And then walking around to the rear now, you've also just showing you the rear alloy here. In the back of the car, with it being the Sportline, you do get the full leather interior with the red stitching and Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full automatic windows all round as well. Jumping inside the car, as you can see, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your ECON and your stop start off. We've then got your 6-speed manual gearbox as well, with the leather and red stitching continuing in the middle. We've then got your full dual climate control as well, which can be operated via the touchscreen display in the middle. And within here, you do also get your full satellite navigation. You also get your various audio sources just here, as you can see. And then we do also have your Bluetooth hands-free just here. Just a quick look at the reversing camera as well. As you can see, it is a nice, clear and sharp image. We've then, on the multifunction steering wheel, got your audio controls on the left, so we've got your volume, Bluetooth hands-free, voice assistant and your onboard computer controls. The arrows here do work between the infotainment system and your onboard computer in the middle. On the right hand side, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, distance control and your lane keep assist. We've got full automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 16,158 miles. Jumping back outside now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.